In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select multiple images and shapes in Microsoft Word. If you're working with several objects in your document, selecting them together can save you time and make it much easier to move, resize, or format everything at once. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word and make sure the images or shapes you want to select are visible on the page. One of the easiest ways to select multiple objects is by using your keyboard. Click on the first image or shape, then press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. While holding it down, click on each additional image or shape you want to include. As you select them, you'll notice that each object becomes highlighted, indicating that it is part of your selection. Once you have selected all the objects you need, you can move them together by clicking and dragging any one of them. They will all move as a group, keeping their relative positions. You can also resize them at the same time by dragging one of the corner handles, which helps maintain consistent proportions. Another useful method is using the Selection pane. To access this, go to the Home tab, click on Select in the Editing group, and then choose Selection pane. A panel will appear on the side of your screen showing a list of all objects in your document. From there, you can click on multiple items while holding the Control key to select them precisely, especially if they are overlapping or hard to click directly. If your objects are difficult to select because they are behind text, you may need to adjust their layout settings first. Click on an image or shape, go to the Layout options, and choose a text wrapping style such as In Front of Text. This makes it easier to click and select multiple elements without interference from the text. For a quicker approach, you can also use the Select Objects tool. Go to the Home tab, click Select, then choose Select Objects. Your cursor will change, allowing you to click and drag a box around multiple images and shapes. Anything inside the box will be selected instantly. Using these methods, you can easily manage multiple objects in your document and improve your workflow. It's especially helpful when designing layouts, aligning elements, or applying the same formatting to several items at once. And that's it! You now know how to select multiple images and shapes in Microsoft Word efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.